Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. My name's Nikki, and for today's video I am doing another haul, and this one is a pretty big one, so we are just gonna get right into it. Okay, these are the goods, so we've got a lot of things to get through today. Okay, so before we get started, I just have to show you guys what this really cute brand sent me, and Louisa. I've worked with them in the past before and I always love their pieces. It's been like 2 years and I'm still wearing their pieces. I love them. So they sent me 3 things. The packaging also, I love that they send these little pockets for the jewelry to go in, because whenever I'm traveling I always need pockets like this and I can never find them. So this honestly just makes it so much easier for my life. First is this super cute little gold bracelet. It's like wrapped up like this. I will put it on and I will show you guys what it looks like. They sent me a little postcard from New York. How cute. New York is one of my top destinations to go to. And then this is the second. This is such a nice color. Like, what the hell? This packaging is top quality. These earrings, so they actually gave me these. I am obsessed. I'm obviously going to try on all of these for you. And last but not least, we have, oh my god, how cute is this little gold bracelet, and it's like linked with like these, I don't know what, these oval kind of shaped charms, and then this one actually has like diamonds like in the middle. But how stunning is this? Like, I literally love this. Okay, so these are the earrings on. Like, don't mind my makeup is just a little bit smudged, but I love them. They're just so dainty and elegant and so pretty. They're just like a fun silver hoop. This is the bracelet. I don't know if you guys can see. How fun is this? And you can make it as tight as you want. I just put it on the loosest right now. Honestly, so fun. And as you can see, I wear a lot of bracelets, so it's perfect for me. And this was the other one. I'm not gonna put it on right now because I can't with these acrylics. I need someone to help me. But yeah, she is so gorgeous. I think I'd probably wear them together as like a small little stack with some other gold or silver bracelet. Yeah, so thank you to Anna Louisa for sending me these pieces because I am obsessed. Okay, I'm gonna start with H&M first because I think it's like the biggest bag of them all. I actually went in store for all of these apart from Zara. I got this pink rose kind of colored crop top because I needed some cute tops for the summer because I don't really have a lot of like basics, and I'm just re-upping on them. And it's got a tie detail at the back. This was a fairly decent price. It was only £11, and I got this in also white, which you will see. You guys know I've been loving my baggy low-rise jeans, so I got this beige pair. I love the wash of these. Like, the color looks amazing on. So they're like this. They're super baggy. I did have to size up like twice my size because usually I'm in a UK 4. The fit of them says baggy wide, but I don't know, when I put on UK 6, UK 4, I don't know which one it was. It just didn't fit me. So these are like a UK, I think they're UK 8 or 10. Yeah, they're an 8. So yeah, just definitely size up. Again, I have the same pink top in white. It's just like really cute, dainty and elegant, and she's again perfect for the summer. So as you'll see as a theme going on here, I don't know why it's April, but I'm shopping for my summer holidays because I've got a couple of holidays planned. So yeah, I'm already shopping for them. So everything you see is basically what I'm wearing in the summer. So next up are these white cargo pants. They go all the way down. They also have like 2 pockets at the front as well. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, they've got 2 pockets at the front. And what I loved about these is that they're not see-through. I've been trying to find a pair of white, not linen trousers, but something along those kinds of lines that weren't see-through, and it was so difficult to find. Luckily, I managed to find these and pick them up, and they fit so well as well. They're low-rise and they've got that slightly baggy but still fitted look to it. So again, perfect for summer. Then I got this pair of low-rise blue jeans. You guys know I'm a sucker for a good pair of low-rise blue jeans, and these ones were so fun because this is what caught my eye. The fringe detailing on these trousers, like, look at that. It's like a teal kind of shade, and I love that contrast, and it looks really cute on when you wear it like low-rise. And then they're also flared. Like, come on, I'm not buying a low-rise jean that isn't flared. So I also loved the wash of them. They've got 2 pockets in the back, and these just accentuate your figure so beautifully. She is now definitely one of my favorite jeans I think I own. Last but not least, we have this top. So you guys, if you can see, this is the kind of top I'm wearing right now. It's like this red one shoulder kind of vibe top. So I basically picked up something similar but in black, and she's got this like knot detailing over here, and this one's just like plain, but then it's like ruched on both sides, and this, oh my god, it cinches you in amazingly. Like this looks gorgeous on, and it's so classy, elegant, sophisticated, perfect. You can literally pair this top with a lot of things, and I love the versatility of it. Moving on to Gilly Hicks / Hollister. So first up, we have this really fun Zara skirt. It's white. I don't think the lighting is in my favor today, guys, but I'm trying to like pick up the details on here. That's like got like patterns, like small flowers stitched onto it, and the waist is really nice and stretchy, so I love that. And it's just light, airy, and perfect for the summer. And it also has shorts underneath. You guys know I really like skirts with shorts underneath because it makes sure that I have no slip-ups. Then I've literally, come on, I feel like everybody has been seeing the Brazil tops literally everywhere, and I just wanted to join in on the trend, guys. I wanted to get one for myself, and I found this one. I love color combo because I've seen a lot of green and yellow ones, but this blue and white combo, I haven't seen that really a lot. So yeah, I picked this up, and I like that it's so stretchy and it's not really suffocating, but it still fits nice and snug, and the material is so soft. Like this is honestly what made me want to pick it up in the first place. The color really complements my skin tone as well, so we love that. Okay, and last but not least, I got another like one of those tops, but this one says Italia on them. It has Italia on it. Love the color, blue and white, and again, so soft. Cannot wait to wear this in the summer. It's gonna look super cute. Moving on to Mango, we have this gorgeous pink like satin pleated top like this. It literally like, it kind of like flows in a dress, but it's like a top, and it's got these really massive arm like holes, which is honestly really fun, and it's like a halter neck kind of vibe, but this color looks stunning on my skin tone. And I don't really go for tops like this, but recently I've been really loving the halter neck, kind of more womanly tops, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I picked this up. I don't know if you guys have been seeing, but I've literally been seeing the puffball trend everywhere, like puffball skirts, puffball dresses. I actually bought a really stunning puffball dress, but I will include it in this haul. As you guys can tell, I'm at home right now. I'm not in my uni accommodation, and I left it in my uni accom. So I'll just insert a picture of what it looks like here. It's from ASOS, it's stunning. But yeah, so I got this dress. It's this army colored green kind of cargo dress, and the bottom really reminded me of a puffball kind of skirt situation, and you can actually change how like tight and long and short you want it because they have these toggles here, and you can also play with the length by like scrunching it up or like pulling it down. The top part fits really nice and snug as well. Okay, last but not least from Mango, we have this another basic top for the summer. It's a black kind of not really a crop top. It kind of fits nicely along my torso and just ends right above my waistline. Really like the straps. The V-neck is really sultry and sexy, and I like the material too. It's a really nice ribbed soft material. Okay, now we move on to Zara. First up is this, I can't even express to you how much I love this top and the color. Like, oh my god, I am obsessed. It is this blue halter neck top, and it's backless, like it drapes so stunningly on the back, and it's satin material too, but this literally just screams luxury. I really loved the shape of the top as well. The color, it just really complements my skin tone, and it's definitely something different from what I usually pick out. But yeah, as soon as I saw this, I was like, oh my god, like this, and it honestly looks so stunning. I actually saw a TikTok of a girl wearing this, and I was like, where did she get this top from? And then I saw it was Zara, and I was like, no way. So yeah, I ordered it immediately because I was head over heels in love. Then I have this black and cream crop top. So I've actually had this top for some time, but I'm just gonna include it in this haul because why not? It's a really fun top for the summer as well. It's also like, I don't know, I feel like this top, I haven't worn it yet, but I feel like you can wear it for almost any kind of occasion because you can like change the length of the strap so it can come high or it can come low. It's got like this kind of ruffle situation going on every single layer of stitching. Fun, pretty top just to wear, I don't know, for any occasion that you need it for. Moving on, now I know I did get a white skirt from Hollister, but I also got another one because this is actually different, and I'll tell you why. This is pleated and it's much more of like a refined, classy, proper skirt that you can actually wear on a proper occasion. Well, honestly, it was called a tennis skirt on the website when I bought it, and it's got shorts underneath, so it's basically a skirt too, and it's a zipped up kind of situation on the side, so you can easily fit into this. I really like the fit of it. It looks good on. Another pretty skirt for the summer. Okay, last but not least, she's on a hanger already, but this dress, she is screaming Ralph Lauren mom. She is screaming old money. She is screaming like sophisticated, classy. The top has this kind of buckle detailing, and then it's got a little V kind of gap here, which by the way is so flattering for the chest, and this dress like completely cinches you in. Like, it really took me a minute to get into this. I thought it wasn't gonna fit, but lo and behold, it did fit. And it also has a zip running down the back of it, and it ends just like around here. And yeah, so I just got this dress because I think it was time to step up my game. And that is basically it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I did filming this, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!